Welcome to Simple Honest Design Behind the Design. I'm so excited about this design because it has so many little details to show you, so let's get started. As you can see, this overall design has so many colors and textures in it. We want to keep together with the metallics, copper, a little bit of wood, and a blue tone throughout the entire design. But you can see that it's a really subtle look, and you can see it in every piece of the design. From the throw pillows here on these really great modern looking chairs that have a gray color to them. We've got the metallic side tables with the copper hammered look. There's just a lot of visual texture going on in this space. I love the grouped together succulents and kind of desert type plants that we added here in the corner to add height in this side of the arbor. And as we talked about last week in the design, we had a really great time choosing the color for this arbor. It's something that's a little different. It's actually a custom color. We went a shade darker than that was on the paint card and created this really modern looking arbor. So let's get moving over to the custom piece of art that the homeowner commissioned. It's beautiful and it incorporates all of those colors that we talked about. The coppers, the black, the blue, and even the white to just pull all of those colors into the space. The sofa that we used is gray. It's an outdoor sofa. It really pulls together those lines that we wanted to keep, the modern look. And then more tropical plants. Since we had a high group of plantings on the left side, we wanted to pull that over to the right side. So we went low with this plant and then used some pendant lights that we converted to use for candles up top to create that balance and symmetry throughout the space. And then again, on the opposite side, we had the same chair that we had on the other side matching, same matching pillow, hammered copper table, and then we added a little plant to the bottom just to add a little softness to the space. And I think one of my other favorite, the art is probably my favorite piece in the whole area, but then I love the coffee table too because it pulls that coppery kind of a color finish with the wood and just pulls the whole look together. And of course, you know I love a succulent. So we've got all the succulents here. Again, pull lots of color into the space. So overall, there's just a ton of texture, color going on that I just love how it all came together. And I hope you love it as much as I do. So that's it for this week's edition of Simple Honest Design Behind the Design.